Hey everyone, welcome back to the our updated channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Mazda 3, a car that continues to impress with its sleek design, impressive features, and fun driving experience. Whether you're in the market for a compact sedan or hatchback, this car offers a great mix of style, performance, and technology, so let's dive right in. Starting with the exterior, Mazda has really kept the sharp, sophisticated design language that's become a signature of their lineup. The front grille is bold, with a sculpted shape that gives the car a more aggressive stance. The sleek LED headlights flow into the bodywork, giving it a modern, clean look. The sculpted sides, the sharp character lines, and the athletic proportions make it stand out from the crowd, and it's clear Mazda has paid attention to the details. The 2025 Mazda 3 also comes with a few new color options, including a rich, deep red that really pops in the sunlight. When you look at the rear, the design is equally striking. The slim taillights wrap around the edges, giving the back of the car a wide, sporty appearance. The dual exhausts on higher trims add a nice touch of performance flair, and the overall look is compact yet muscular, with a perfect balance between elegance and sportiness. Now, moving inside, the 2025 Mazda 3 continues to impress with a refined interior that's high on quality and comfort. Right when you open the door, you're greeted with soft touch materials, premium leather seating options, and an overall feeling of luxury that's uncommon in this class. The dashboard layout is clean and minimalistic, with a floating infotainment screen that blends seamlessly into the cabin. Mazda has kept physical buttons to a minimum, opting for a simple rotary dial to control the infotainment system, which is really intuitive once you get the hang of it. The front seats are exceptionally comfortable, with great support for long drives. Whether you're sitting in the sportier trim or the more luxurious models, you'll find plenty of space and adjustability. There's also an impressive attention to detail in the stitching and trim, with an almost bespoke feel that elevates the overall experience. If you're in the back seat, the 2025 Mazda 3 isn't the largest in its class, but it's surprisingly roomy for a compact car. The seats are comfortable, and there's enough legroom for most adults. However, if you're looking for a family hauler, you might want to consider something a bit bigger. Still, for everyday use or a small group of friends, the rear seats are more than adequate. When it comes to tech, Mazda has equipped the 2025 Mazda 3 with a solid suite of features. You've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a crystal clear 8.8-inch touchscreen. The navigation system is easy to use, and there's a great sound system that comes standard on most models. The advanced driver assistance features, like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, are standard on every trim, which is a huge plus. As for the driving experience, this is where the Mazda 3 really shines. With its lightweight design, balanced suspension, and precise steering, it delivers a driving experience that's truly enjoyable. Whether you go for the 2.5-liter engine or the turbocharged option, acceleration is responsive and powerful. The car hugs corners with confidence, making it one of the most engaging rides in its class. And if you're a fan of manual transmissions, the 2025 Mazda 3 still offers that option, which is becoming increasingly rare. In terms of performance, you've got a couple of engine choices. The standard 2.5-liter engine is smooth and powerful, providing a perfect balance of efficiency and performance for daily driving. But if you're after something with a bit more oomph, the turbocharged 2.5-liter engine delivers impressive power and torque, making the Mazda 3 feel even sportier. Fuel economy is another area where the Mazda 3 performs well. The base engine offers great efficiency for a car in this segment, and even the turbocharged model doesn't drink too much gas, especially considering the performance it delivers. All in all, the 2025 Mazda 3 stands out as one of the best cars in its class. It offers a stylish design, a luxurious interior, solid performance, and a great driving experience, all while being packed with modern technology. Whether you're someone who loves to drive or just wants a stylish, efficient daily commuter, the Mazda 3 delivers on all fronts. So, if you're in the market for a compact car that doesn't compromise on quality or performance, the 2025 Mazda 3 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning into this review, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more car reviews. Catch you in the next one.